Hello, we are Most Wanted Mods. This is the instruction manual for suspension lowering module for Mercedes EQE43 AMG. You will need our module. Module stores two modes, low and factory. Default low mode is 20mm. How to activate low mode? Turn ignition on by pressing the start-stop button twice. All LEDs should light up. Insert module in OBD-2 port under the steering wheel near the door. Wait until main screen blinks blue. That means that low mode settings are installed successfully. Turn ignition off, remove the module, start the engine and close all vehicle doors. To return the factory mode, you need to repeat the same steps and wait until the main screen blinks green twice. Now we will show you how to change settings in low mode. There are 7 available modes from 10mm to 70mm. Turn ignition on by pressing the start-stop button twice. All LEDs should light up. Insert module in OBD-2 port under the steering wheel near the door. Press brake pedal and hold it firmly. Wait until main screen blinks red twice. It could take up to 35 seconds. Once the screen stops blinking red, release brake and short press it again. Number of blinks mean the level of lowering. 1 red blink, minus 10mm, 2 red blinks, minus 20, etc. After 7 red blinks, 70mm, the cycle returns to 10mm. Press and hold brake pedal after 7 red blinks and don't release it until the screen blinks blue. Turn ignition off, remove the module from OBD-2 port and close all the doors. From this moment, device stores two settings, low mode, minus 70mm, and factory mode.